Today I am going to teach you spiral roundabout. Spiral roundabouts are bigger than mini and large roundabouts. Any multi-lane roundabout which is bigger than large roundabout is known as a spiral roundabout. So you have to follow the basic principle of roundabouts to do spiral roundabouts as well. If you are turning left, stay in left lane and turn left. If you are turning right, move to the right lane and turn right from the roundabout. If you are going straight ahead, then you have to check which lane is appropriate lane to go straight ahead. In spiral roundabout, you might have more than 3 or 4 exits. So you have to remember the number of exits you are going to do. The roundabout I am going to do now has got the 5 exits, and we will do all of them one by one. The basic principle of spiral roundabout is when you enter in a roundabout, make sure you enter in appropriate lane and do not leave that lane until you take exit from the spiral roundabout. So we're gonna do all the exit from the spiral roundabout. Let's start doing it. Okay, so I am approaching a spiral roundabout, and from the spiral roundabout I will turn left, first exit. So whenever you see the signboard which explain the roundabout, check your mirrors just near to it. Start reducing the speed. Give your signal, which is going to be left signal in this case, and I will check the road markings and the arrows. If you look at the floor, the left lane is left only and we are turning left, so there's no problem. This roundabout is controlled by traffic lights, so if they are red, we have to wait. Keep the signal on. Once the light is green, proceed by keeping on the left side, and I am in the left lane. So that's how you have to do left from a spiral roundabout. Okay, so I am approaching the spiral roundabout. This time I have to do second exit. So as I'm approaching, I have to check the road markings. The left lane is going left only, so I have to switch over to the right lane. If middle is available, I have to use the middle. Yes, so the middle is available. So if you look at the floor, the middle lane, we can go straight from the middle lane towards second exit, and we can do left as well. No signal required. So pass the first exit, check your mirrors, give your signal. Stay in the left lane and do left in the second exit. So that's how you have to do second exit from the spiral roundabout. If middle is available, use middle. Sometimes from the spiral roundabout, you can go straight ahead from the left lane as well. But it all depends on the arrows. If the road marking says you can go straight second exit from the left lane, you can use the left lane as well. If two arrows are going straight, left lane and middle lane, both lanes are going straight, second exit, the better option is to use the left lane. Always use the most left lane as long as it is not the left only lane. Okay, so this time I am going to take third exit from the spiral roundabout. So when I will approach the roundabout, I have to look which is an appropriate lane to go to the third exit. Most of the time, third exit is from the right lane, but sometimes if there are more than 2 lanes, sometimes you can use the middle lane to go third exit as well. It all depends on the road markings. So after the signboards, start reducing the speed, read the road signs and the road markings as well. I'm doing third exit, so the middle lane is going straight as well, which is going to be third exit. Okay, so as I was using the middle lane, so enter and even in the roundabout, use the middle lane as well. First is done. This is the second exit. And soon you pass the second exit, check your mirrors and give your left signal and take exit. So that's how you do third exit from the roundabout. To do the third exit, we can either use middle lane and the right lane as well. Both lanes going right third exit. The middle will be normal lane, and if we use the third one, the right third lane, that will be the overtaking lane. Try to avoid using overtaking lane. Okay, so this time I am going to do the fourth exit from the spiral roundabout. So fourth exit is always from the right lane. At the approach, we will see how many lanes are available to enter in spiral roundabout. So either you can use the third lane, or if there are 4 lanes available, we can use fourth as well, which is going to be the most right lane. So one lane will become 3 lanes at this point. So we're not going to use the middle one. So we will use the right lane, which is the third lane currently, and we are taking fourth exit from the roundabout. Whenever you use the right lane, always enter and use inner circle of the roundabout. As we are doing fourth exit, so when we do 2 exits, after the second exit, we can get into the middle. So first is done. Near to the second exit, we entered in the middle lane. Second is done. So soon the third exit will be driven past. We will do mirrors, signal, and head towards the fourth exit. Curb to curb. One curb will take us to the second curb and will take out from the fourth exit. Third is done. And that's it. This is the fourth one. See, so this is how you do the fourth exit from the roundabout. So whichever lane you take in the beginning, stick with that lane. Do not unnecessarily change the lanes, especially when you are doing spiral roundabouts. This time we will do right fifth exit from spiral roundabout. If when you approach the spiral roundabout and if there are 4 lanes available, use the fourth. Always stay 1 lane less than the number of exit you are taking. But if there are not 4th lane available, you can use the most right lane. So we are approaching to spiral roundabout for turning right 5th exit. Start reducing the speed after the signboard which explains the roundabout. So check your mirrors and give your signal and keep your signal on until you pass the 4th exit. If it get cancelled, put it back on. So there's no 4th lane available, so I'm using the most right lane. Whenever you enter in a roundabout from the right lane, go to the inner curve, use inner circle. First exit is done. Keep yourself in right lane, right circle. Second is done. We are approaching to 3rd exit. Keep the signal on and stay in right lane. 3rd is done. And start getting into the middle. And we are in middle lane now. Keep the signal on. Let the people know we are taking 5th exit. So ahead of us is a 4th one. Keep going. Do not cross the white line which is near to my right tire. Switch the signal from right to left when you drive past 4th exit. So this is how you have to do the 5th exit. From the curb to curb now. Soon you drive past the 4th exit, go towards the curb and curb will take you out. 5th exit is heading towards A5 South. It's a fast road, dual carriageway, so you have to speed up. Check your center and right mirror, give your right signal and join A5 when it is convenient. Okay, so what we learned today that if we are doing multi-lane spiral roundabout, it is very, very important to choose appropriate lane in the beginning. If you choose appropriate lane in the beginning and stick with that lane, you will never go wrong in the roundabout. If you are turning left, stay in the left lane as I mentioned early on and turn left. If you are going straight ahead, check if you can go straight 2nd exit from 1st lane, which is left lane. It is absolutely fine. Stay in that lane. Do not unnecessarily change the lane. If you are going straight ahead 2nd exit and there is a middle lane available and you can go straight from the middle lane as well, you can use that. But remember one thing, that lane will become overtaking lane at the time of exit, which is going to be 2nd exit. If you are turning right 3rd exit and at the approach, the roundabout has got 3 lanes. So you are turning right 3rd exit. So better option is stay in the middle lane, which is 1 less than the number of exit you are going to take. So that mean you will take 3rd exit by entering from the 2nd lane, which is middle lane, and you will be normal lane. But if you are using the 3rd lane for the 3rd exit, that lane will become overtaking. So better option is to use a middle lane. If you are doing 4th exit, so again the same formula, you use the 3rd lane at the time of entrance if it is available. Worst come worst, if you don't know the roundabout, you don't have local knowledge, and if you are turning right third and fourth exit, you better off stay on a right lane. By doing that, at least you will reach to the number of exit you are going, and you will do that properly. Maybe you will use overtaking lane, but you will use that right lane, and right will always take you to third and fourth exit. If the roundabout has got 5 or more than 5 exits and you are doing one of them, always keep yourself at the right lane until you are half of the number of exit you are going to do. For example, if you are doing fourth exit, so stay in the right lane until you are approaching the second exit. Half of the 4 is 2. If you are doing 5, again use the same. After second exit, go to the middle lane and stay in the middle lane up until the fourth exit. Soon you drive past the fourth and go towards the curb and you will do the fifth exit. Similarly, if you are doing sixth exit from the roundabout, stay in the right lane up until to third exit. Soon you drive past third exit, or you are about to drive past third exit, check your mirrors and switch over to the middle lane, okay? And from that lane, keep checking, keep an eye on the left side, drive past fourth exit, drive past fifth exit, and soon you drive past the fifth exit, switch your indicator from right to left and head towards the curb, and that curb will take you out to the sixth exit. This is how you have to do the spiral roundabouts. Spiral roundabouts are easier than the normal roundabouts as long as you know how to do them, because they have got proper lanes, and if you maintain the lane discipline in the roundabout, you will never go wrong. Please like and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you very much.